How to find saved passwords in Windows 11. If you want to find saved passwords and login credentials in Windows 11, this video will show you where to access them using Credential Manager. First, click the search box on the Windows taskbar and type Credential Manager. Select Credential Manager from the search results to open it. Here, you'll see two main sections, Web Credentials and Windows Credentials. Click on Web Credentials to view saved login information for supported websites and services. Select an entry to view more details. Depending on the credential, Windows may ask you to verify your identity with your Windows account password or another security method before revealing sensitive information. You can also use Windows Credentials to manage saved credentials associated with Windows, applications, and network resources. If you no longer need a saved credential, you can select the entry and choose the available option to remove it. Remember, only access saved passwords on a Windows account and device you are authorized to use. That's how you can find saved passwords in Windows 11 using Credential Manager. If you find this video helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more videos.